Hello guys, I'm Halim Quez. To tell you in this tutorial how to recover your Gmail ID if there's someone who has changed your Gmail password. Now you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone number, so you are unable to reset a password. How to recover? This tutorial may be helpful also in a situation when there's someone who has stolen your Gmail ID, someone who has hijacked your Gmail ID, someone who has hijacked your Gmail ID. Now, how do you rescue? We will see live here. This idea has been recommended by one viewer to recover, and as we know that unfortunately he has lost his device, so he doesn't have access to a recovery email, a spontaneously recovery phone number. So let's try here. I'm the facing here couldn't sign in you, but by providing sufficient information for the Google to be the show, thus we can say this account is mine. How it is, we will see here. Now we don't have a phone number, so just we will go for try another way. And now we don't have a phone number, guys, so of course we will go for here. Now it's the thing that you did not provide enough information for Google to be sure that this account is mine. I will do it. If I try again multiple times and then here, this account would be open a one page there via different email. We will have to provide some legal document on the basis of Google will justify that this account is your really or not. And if it is, that of course total estimated times that can be expected more than 48 hours. Then you will have a strong opportunity to create a strong password, guys. But if you would like to quick response, quick rescue of your Gmail, then cut it from here and we will have to come in a Play Store, guys. In a Play Store we will have to write PAW, let's see. Of course we will write here PAWAXY browser. Now see guys here, just we will try to download this browser. It is scarcely 10 MB, and now we will cut it from here because it's installing. On the other hand, of course, we will have to two changes here on this G browser. We will have to hold it and we will come on here, and thereupon of course we will have to come to notifications, check it out. If it is blocked, that's fine, so otherwise we will have to block. I have been recovering multiple Gmails, so that's why it's already blocked. We will come in the permission. In the permission, of course, we will have to come in the location. So try to navigate the location. In location here, allow, and upon precise location, check it out. If it is enabled, then of course make it disable, and upon of course we will come in a don't allow. Then click on a don't allow. So device may no longer function as intended, but of course for moment I'm doing this. So similar strategy we will have to execute on Google Chrome. This is also product of Google, as we know that. So just we will tap on notification, that will be blocked, so it's already blocked, guys. Files, we will come the permission not allowed, it's already done. Free space we will have to make it disable. Navigate the location there, it's allow, and check it out. In this precise location it's off, but you will have the enable, so make it disable it, guys. Here similar, device may no longer function as intended, but for time being I'm doing it, so don't allow anyway, just we will. Now here one more time we will have back, one more time, then we will have to come the defaults, especially apps browser, and the phone here, just to see. We will come here Chrome because it's still installing, guys, so we will have to wait here. We will come here, see how much time it has taken. It has taken approximately 39%, so it will take time, much more. Just we will have to wait, guys. Let it install firstly, guys. It's still taking time, guys. Let's wait here. I don't know, it's scrolling and the back it's going, but we will have to wait. Check it out. If any additional, yes, the browser is there, then just uninstall it. So I have the one more browser, so just we will web browser I will uninstall. So just we will tap on here to uninstall. Now we will come here, still it's installing. Check it out. Now 65% is 66% is, I don't know, the internet speed is quite slow here, guys. That's why I'm having a problem, but don't worry. Almost done. %78 is done. 79% is 80. It's a scarcely 10 MB, guys, and its speed is of this internet. How slow is that? Almost 1 minute more, guys. Yeah. Let's see, 94% is means 6% is remaining. Yeah. Now 4% is remaining, 3% is remaining, 2% is remaining. Let's see, now done. We will cut it from here, and once again we will come in a Chrome's to hold it, and of course we will come in this help icon, and thereupon of course we will come in especially here browser. So browser apps, and now that we have this Tavex browser, we will cut it from here, and thereupon of course we will come in our browser, and here just to see it's opening here, just we will go for accept and continue. Now we will have to pick this G, yeah, this one's. Now see, guys, here we will have to write Google co-in. Just let's fix this one, guys. Now here we will have to wait for, yeah, now for this, now we will open this ones and see here. Now we come here directly. We will have to write here this particular ID. It was just we will go for next here now. Now see, guys, here just we will have to go forgot password and see what will happens. We don't have a phone number, so just we will go for here. Now here is more tips to recover your accounts or answer as many questions as you can and use a device when you have to sign in before. Otherwise, I did not provide enough information for the Google to this show. So if I try again here, so then this account would be freeze. So how do I recover in this account? Don't worry. Now Google itself will recover. How? Just to tap on a setting, guys. In the setting, of course, we will have to come in now. Come in especially Google service, guys. So where it is? Yeah. In Google service, we will have to come. Now we will click on a help icons. Just to tap on it. Now, sign-ins. Now here we will have to explain the proper regions. So just of course we will select these ones. Force someone else as using. It means it has been hacked, hijacked. Any excuses that will come under these issues. Secure your accounts. And thereupon, of course, here what we will do, it's opening, guys. Here just now see, just we will scroll up and we will come in review your account activities. find out if your account has been hacked. Now we will come in here. Is account recovery page, guys, here. Now see it's opening, guys, here. Now here, particulars. See, what we will do here, just simply we will type that particular email ID that we would like to recover. Once again, here it was. Now see, guys, here, just we will have to here we'll have to go for here next. So of course we will have to type here next. See, now see, guys, here directly would be here, and here we will have to go for not now. If I click here not now, then what will happen, guys, here we have two options. Either we can change the password, we can go for continue. Don't click on a continue, otherwise you would be a trap in a it's verify you. So in that conditions there will be some once again the query, and OTP will come on your particular recovery number, but you don't have a recovery email and recovery number. So once again you will be a trap in there. You won't be able to reshare the password. So why not we will click on a change the password. Now we have the strong opportunity to create the strong password here. Now almost see here we have a strong opportunity to create the strong password and the strongs confirm password, and upon of course after adding the change it and go in the security center and upon add the recovery email and recovery phone number, guys, so that this kind of an incident won't be repeated again. Right now on a live screen we cannot create the strong password, otherwise it would be in a public domain. After creating of course a strong password, I have to deliver to this viewer. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Furthermore, in inquiry, of course I have the query below the comment box. Plus would be managed to reply your query, and of course if it is informative and acknowledgeable, so then don't forget to like, subscribe and share this content. This is only institution purpose, guys, don't misuse it. Thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye.